And I think even dry skin people, dry skin, dry skin. And I think that even dry scan क्यों बोल रही हूँ मैं? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in this video I'm gonna review MCafe Naked and Raw Coffee face mask. So without any further ado, let's get started. So this is MCafe Naked and Raw Coffee face mask, and this is for normal to oily skin, and you are getting 100 gram of product in 575 rupees. So this face pack comes in this glass jar sort of a packaging with this plastic lid, and you are also getting a wooden spoon just like this to apply the face pack, and it also helps in maintaining the hygiene of the product. I have to say this, that MCafe is one of my favorite skincare brand. They make amazing skincare products. They are paraben free, SLS free, cruelty free, mineral oil free and whatnot. And by the way, this video is not at all sponsored by MCafe. They don't even know that I'm making this video, but yeah, still. Now moving on to the actual product, this face pack is grey in color and a bit thick in texture, and इसमें बहुत छोटे छोटे granules हैं जो exfoliation में बहुत अच्छे से help करते हैं. And guys, the fragrance of this face mask is to die for. If you're a coffee lover, then you will definitely gonna like it. It smells like brownie and coffee and cocoa and whatnot. I just love this. So I've already washed my face and now it's time to open this face mask. इसकी fragrance से तो मेरा इसे अभी खाने का मन कर रहा है. And as you can see, I've used quite a lot of it. And now what I have to do is to apply an even layer of this face mask all over my face, and then leave it for 15 to 20 minutes I guess, and then just rinse it off. And guys, honestly, you will need really small amount of this because a little goes a long way. So I guess this much is enough. And if you're following me for a while, you know that I love coffee. Coffee is a great exfoliator. It smoothens and polishes your skin, and it is the best source of antioxidants as well. And pure cocoa helps in reducing the signs of aging, and it also helps in reducing acne and pimples as well. And now I guess I should stop talking and मुझे इस face pack को apply करना चाहिए. Wait. So it's been 20 minutes and this face mask is all dried up. It's not a dry down face mask जो आपकी skin को बहुत ज़्यादा stretch कर देता है. ये face mask बहुत ही ज़्यादा comfortable है, पर ये dry होने के बाद एक tacky सी finish देता है. Anyways, let's wash this face. इस face mask को लगाने के बाद एक refreshing सी feeling आती है. I can feel that my skin is in healthier state right now. This face mask is also helps in controlling excess oil. My skin feels healthier, it's glowing, my pores are shrinked a lot, and my face is looking plumped as well. Now for the pigmentation concern, it actually helped me in reducing my pigmentation around this area. I have some proof as well. So the story behind this proof is basically मैं किसी भी product को एक बार use करके उसका review नहीं करना चाहती. I honestly don't want to do that. If I'm reviewing any product, that means I've tested and tried this product for quite some time and then मैं उसका review करती हूँ. और अगर हम proof की बात करें तो I saw some difference that my pigmentation and my tan both got reduced. So actually when I came back from Dubai, even the darkest shade of my foundation became light for me. And after using this face mask, my tan got reduced a lot. इसका मेरे पास honestly कोई proof नहीं, मैंने कोई pics click नहीं करी. But when I realized that this face mask is actually reducing my pigmentation, I started clicking photos of mine, and you can see that my pigmentation has been reduced over time, and I've applied this face mask twice or thrice in a week. Though what I want to tell you is that this face mask does not do anything to your cystic acne, to your pimples or to your blackheads. जहाँ तक वाइट हेड्स की बात है, इसने मेरे चिन एरिया से वाइट हेड्स बहुत अच्छे तरीके से रिमूव कर दिए हैं या रिड्यूस कर दिए हैं। क्योंकि मेरी ऑयली स्किन है और पीसीओडी की वजह से मुझे वाइट हेड्स की प्रॉब्लम बहुत ज़्यादा होती है, और इस फेस पैक को लगाने के बाद एक्चुअली मैंने देखा कि मेरे वाइट हेड्स यहाँ से बहुत ज़्यादा कम हो गए हैं, चिन एरिया से पूरे ख़त्म ही हो गए हैं। However, because it shrinks your pores, it actually helps in preventing acne and pimples. Ever since I started using this, I've realized that those pimples which I used to get back in the days because of clogged pores, वो मुझे अब नहीं होते, and this also helps in drying up the dead acne skin as well. So overall, I really love this face mask so much. If you are normal to oily skin beauty and if you want a face pack for healthy skin, I guess you will love this. And if you're looking for something that can help in drying up your acne fast, I don't think you will like this. And I think even dry skin people can use this. It's not that drying, honestly, and it's just that you have to moisturize the skin. That's it. So yes guys, this was my review on MCafe Naked and Raw Coffee Face Mask. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you didn't, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and do not forget to share it with your friends. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.